Hey there. So I wanted to just chat a little bit about the workshop I have coming up at the Plum Project in downtown Dover. It's called Spirit, Ceramics and Spirit, and it's the first one is on June 1st. It's a two-part class, and it kind of blends two of my passions together, one being plants as an herbalist, and one being a ceramicist or a clay artist. I started working with clay in high school, and I just was obsessed with it. My art teacher actually had to create a whole sort of separate syllabus just for me my senior year because I had run out of taking art classes and pottery classes. And then I kind of just let it fall to the wayside. I tried to be more realistic in my college background and let art kind of take a backseat for a little bit. And my study of anthropology is what brought me to herbalism. And kind of, I would say maybe like 5 years into herbalism, I decided I wanted to start taking pottery classes again. And I missed it so much. And then the plants started whispering in my ear and the clay started whispering in my ear that they wanted to collaborate. And it still took me another 10 years to listen to them to bring the two together. So this class is all about connecting to our intuition, our heart-centered self through expressing ourselves through clay, but also co-creating with the plants and connecting to plants that have a special message for us or want to build relationship with us. And it's a really special class because it involves sort of an introduction to plant spirit communication and communing with plants that are growing around us first and seeing who wants to play with us and co-create a vessel of some sort. It doesn't have to be a vessel, but some sort of clay piece to work hand in hand together for you. So the first part of the class involves going out and talking to plants, and I'm going to walk you through the whole step. Even for some of us, it sounds crazy. What do you mean we're talking to plants? But it's a really powerful practice and really fun practice to get into. We'll come back and we'll start playing with clay and incorporating the plants with that. And from there, I will then carefully wrap up your pieces, bring them to my kiln to be fired. We'll come back in the second class to glaze, reconnect with the plants again, and maybe even create a sort of magical talisman touchstone piece to continue to build the connection with that green ally that you met. And then finally, after that second class, I will bring your pieces back to my kiln again to be glaze fired, and then I'll have them dropped off at a plum for you to pick up whenever you'd like. So it's a really beautiful class that really enables you to let go of the critical mind, let go of really any rules, and just let spirit guide you, let your heart guide you, let your intuition guide you, and enable you to really get grounded into the earth, into yourself, and with that expression of just, letting creativity and the clay and the plants just pull everything together for a really just unique experience of expression. So if this piques your interest, please check out the link that I'll have posted here, and then also I'll add it to my bio link as well for more details and to register. I would love to have you join me. If you have questions, don't hesitate. Thanks so much for checking in.